Disclaimer, I am not a physician or a professional at medicine, but some doctors are coming out here on YouTube saying what the world and what higher ups don't want us to know about medicine. Please use this at your own risk. This is for like flu-like, cold-like symptoms, and this is all my experience, and trust me, it works. Use at your own risk, and yeah. So,
so I have some
there you
orange
have it.
peels, some lemon peels, and some lime peels boiling in a pot. You could drink this if you clean off the peels very well. You could drink this as an elixir if you have a cold or anything else of a cold nature. So you could drink this, but I'm going to use the inner of these peels that I have over there in the blender. Me boiling this in the pot is for me to put a towel over my head once it came to a complete boil, cut the fire off, hold my head over to get any spores that are caught in my nostrils, and to also open up my lungs and to go down and to help release some of the mucus. So lime peels, orange peels, and lemon peels will help. So those are the limes, lemons. I forgot to take another orange out the refrigerator, but I have orange already in my blender. And you will also need turmeric spice, and you will also need honey. Now I know my avocados back there are going bad, but I'm going to make me a hair mask with that, so no worries. So you can use 1 lemon, 1 lime, half of a teaspoon or a whole teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 or 2 teaspoons of honey. Here we have the concoction in my NutriBullet. I've got my turmeric spice on top. There's my orange there. I've got 2 lemons in there and 1 lime and 2 teaspoons of honey. So now I'm going to put my top on, and then we're going to blend. Okay, this is how it's looking. I forgot to tell you that I put ice in here. So there's really no water. It's just ice and whatever came from the lemon, lime, and oranges. That was the juice or liquid part. And it looks like a smoothie, sort of like. So that's that. You can also take this hot. I wanted something of a slushy, so this is what I have. But you can not drink the whole thing, but save half for the morning, and you can drink it hot. Preferably, you should drink it hot and not cold, because when you drink it cold, like I'm about to do, it just helps the mucus stay clingy to your throat, and it does not help it to go down. But I will go behind it with my maca tea, or my turmeric tea, or my ginger tea. Or, you know, I have all sorts of teas, but I wanted it cold. Now, you can use it that thick. I ended up putting more water with mine because it was simply thick. But you can take this as shots. Like, put it in a shot glass if it's this thick. To take shots every morning and every night, an hour before bed. But trust me, y'all, this works. It works. I also want to say, get up and exercise. Do some type of yoga. Laying in the bed, feeling that pain is not where it's at. The more you lay in the bed, the longer you will get sick. So you have to deodorize your whole house, like disinfect your whole house, I meant to say. Clean out your whole house and air it out.